Sorry.
This is my son, and we both are going to make jangri today. For that, we need urad dal. I soaked it for 2 hours and set it aside, and I drained the water I kept here. And we need lemon juice, and we need sugar. I'll tell you how much sugar we need, and we need some cardamom. We need orange food color, a little bit of orange food color, pinch is enough. And let's go on to the preparation. Let me take the urad dal here and let me put it in a mixer. We'll put it in a mixer, okay? Your consistency is very important for making jangri. So let me go on and get it ground into a smooth paste.
Let's grind it.
Okay, let's grind it.
Ready? Go.
So I ground it to a smooth paste, if you see here. So what do we have to do now is, let me take and transfer it to a bowl.
Bowl.
Yeah. I added 1/4 cup of water to make it into a smooth paste. If you see, so I'm adding the orange food color to the paste. So you can get this food color in any of the grocery stores or any of the Indian stores. Usually, now it's mixed evenly. So once it is done, I'll keep this aside and we'll prepare the sugar syrup. Is that fine? Okay, we'll go and prepare the sugar syrup. Let's see how to make the sugar syrup.
Take 1 cup of sugar.
Yeah, let's take 1 cup of sugar and put it here. And let's take 1/2 cup of water. And let's pour it and let's switch on the flame. Let's try to mix.
I want to taste it.
Yeah, you want to taste it? How is it?
With
How is it?
sweet.
We'll have to wait until 1 string consistency. I've taken cardamom. So if you add the cardamom to the sugar syrup, it is going to give you a nice flavor. So let's add it, okay? Let's check for the 1 string consistency now. Let's add the lemon juice so that you can avoid the syrup thickening. So let's take a Ziploc and let's transfer this Jaangri paste into the Ziploc. Let's make it into a cone shape and cut the edge. This is the shape that we'll have to make it. Look, it's crisp. So let me keep it in a low flame. Drain all the oil and put it in the sugar syrup. Let me mix it well so that it gets blended well. Just mix it for around 20 to 30 seconds. And then keep this here.
Hi. Hey, it's Jaangri.
Do you want to eat one? Can you take a small one? Baby one?